Using your smartphone to generate income is getting easier and easier to do. There are numerous chances available for you to earn additional money from your phone in a variety of distinct ways. It's possible that you can add funds to your bank account using your smartphone. If this is something you're interested in doing, read on. We'll go over some of the best 11 ways to make money from your phone, as well as how to get started with each one. But before we start our countdown, welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Calden, and here's a big money moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cows community and making money online with us today. Please smash that subscribe button and ring that bell icon to stay updated on all of our money-making secrets. Now, let's do this. 1. Sell your old stuff. There are a wide variety of smartphone apps that you may use to sell used items such as clothing, furniture, books, and virtually anything else of this nature in order to make some additional income. Let's take a look at a couple of them. Decluttr. Utilize this application in order to sell various forms of technology and media, such as mobile phones, video games, DVDs, CDs, and books. It provides quick and easy next-day payments for the things you sell in addition to free shipping on all orders placed. The ability to scan the barcode of an item in order to obtain a quick estimate of the value of that item is a wonderful function. Poshmark. If you list your products for sale on Poshmark, the company will cover the cost of the postage. You and your buddies may even make a list of things that are similar at a party that you hosted together. Keep in mind that creating an ad is completely free, but that there is a transaction fee associated with any sales you make. You will be charged a total of $2.95 for any products that total less than $15. You will be charged an additional 20% on any purchases that are over $15. Let's go! This software is like a combination of Craigslist and a second-hand store. Because you cannot accept payments through this app and only use it for local transactions, you will need to work out the specifics of the transactions directly with the person who is purchasing your item. 2. Trade in your old stuff on Amazon. Selling items that you no longer require is yet another way that you may use your phone to make some extra cash. You will not be paid in cash if you choose this option. However, you may be awarded gift cards instead. There is a fantastic trading program offered by Amazon which enables customers to send in various pieces of technology, including Amazon devices, video games, phones, accessories, and more. You will receive an immediate offer for either an Amazon gift card or a promotional credit that can be applied against the purchase of a new device if the item you wish to sell qualifies. Amazon will pay for the shipping charges and provide you with a free shipping label in addition to not charging any fees. 3. Use an investment app. Even if you might be seeking for some additional cash right now, one of the wisest choices you can make is to also take steps to improve your financial situation in the long run. There are some incredible investing applications available that can help you make money from your phone today, while also increasing your value as you become older. If you look around, you can find some of these apps. Let's take a look at some of the most successful mobile applications for investing. Betterment. Betterment is a combination of making investment and saving money. It was designed specifically for people who want more control over their own finances. You may use the app to set goals, and then you can use those goals to construct a personalized investment strategy that will assist you in reaching those goals. If you find that dealing with investing is stressful for you, one solution is to establish an automatic monthly deposit and then ignore it. Acorns. Investing can be done in a way that you won't even notice once you download our app and get started. To accomplish this, it will round up the total value of your purchases to the nearest dollar and then deposit that amount into the investment account you have designated. When you shop with one of Acorn's select partners, you'll earn additional cash that will send into your account. Robinhood. In recent times, there has been a lot of focus placed on Robinhood in the media. This program is frequently utilized for transactions involving more complex investments, such as trading stocks and money. As an alternative to purchasing a complete share of whatever it is that you would like to invest in, you will have access to fractional shares, which means that you will be able to make an investment for as little as $1. 4. Sell your data. The idea that you may sell your data by putting an application on your phone and doing so may be considered a breach of personal privacy by some individuals. However, even if you don't believe that to be the case, the fact remains that this is one of the best methods to make money off of your phone without having to put it any more effort. For instance, Nielsen is among the most well-known and successful market research companies in the entire globe. Because of this, they are quite interested in watching what you do on your phone and are even prepared to pay you to do so. Downloading a Safe Mobile application is all that is required to participate in the computer and mobile panel offered by Nielsen. That wraps it up. This will provide the organizations with the critical data they require for their market research, as the software will follow and record how you use your phone. You can earn up to $50 worth of points that can be redeemed for gift cards when you sign up. 5. Be a user testing participant. The opinions of consumers regarding a brand's goods and services are of great interest to the company, and some of them will compensate you for sharing your opinions with them. User Testing is a company that assists brands in gathering this important feedback so that they may continue to enhance the quality of the products and services they provide. According to the information provided on the website, users have the opportunity to earn $4 for a user test that lasts 5 minutes and $10 for a user test that lasts 20 minutes. Earnings for live interviews can range anywhere from $30 to $120 each interview. In order to join up for user testing, you will be required to answer certain screening questions. These questions are asked so that user testing can find you appropriate goods and services to test. If you are interested in user testing, UTest is another company you should investigate more. 6. Fill out surveys. You are presumably familiar with the concept of surveys. Even if they might not be the very greatest use of your time, considering them could be a smart idea if you are locked inside the house, commuting to work every day, or standing in line at the Department of Motor Vehicles. Let's take a look at a number of the most popular apps for conducting surveys. Inbox Dollars. Using this app survey feature along with participating in other activities such as viewing videos, playing video games, and reading emails will earn you rewards. In addition to receiving payments in the form of cash, members also earn incentives in the form of coupons and cashback for making purchases through the website. Survey Junkie. You can earn prizes by sharing information about your web usage in addition to providing responses to survey questions. You will accumulate points that can be used for things like gift cards or cash whenever you respond to surveys or give information. 7. Sell your photos. If you enjoy taking photos of yourself with your selfie stick, or if you have recently purchased a new iPhone and believe yourself a bit of an amateur photographer, read on. It's possible that all it takes to get some additional money with apps like FOAP is to shoot a few images that are appealing to others. The use of FOAP is absolutely free, and you are allowed to sell and resell the same photo as many times as you desire. Photos go for $10 each, and you get to keep $5 of that transaction as your profit. You have the option of either compiling your own portfolio of photographs that might be used as stock images by businesses or submitting your photographs to missions. A mission is a task that is issued by a larger firm with the intention of finding particular photos. You have the potential to make a respectable amount of money by providing content that attracts the attention of the mission poster. 8. Run a Shopify store from your phone. You can run an online retail shop from the palm of your hand with e-commerce software. You may access everything necessary to manage your store directly from your mobile device using the mobile app that Shopify provides. You may use the Shopify app to add products, manage inventory, fulfill orders, compare different sales channels, communicate with clients, and even monitor revenue levels. All of these functions can be performed with ease. Even while you might have to initially set up your store on a desktop computer, after you have your store up and running, you can use the Shopify mobile app to manage your day-to-day store operations even when you're away from your desk. 9. Earn rewards for playing games. The app market for smartphones currently offers thousands of different games for users to choose from. There are a variety of applications available, the most of which will just provide you with a method to pass the time, but there are other apps that can assist you in making money while you have fun. For example, the app Misplay gives users the opportunity to earn rewards just by participating in mobile gaming activities. You can earn units, which are used within the Misplay app, by playing games and progressing through levels in those games. After that, you can exchange your units for gift cards to online retailers such as iTunes, Amazon, or Best Buy. There are many other types of games available, such as card games, puzzle games, adventure games, and strategy games. 10. Get paid for walking. The majority of us currently engage in a significant amount of walking, whether it be going for a walk with our pets or simply walking to and from work. Sweatcoin is a convenient program that can turn the steps you take into virtual currency known as Sweatcoins. Even while you can take the coins out of your wallet and deposit them into your bank account, you can still keep them and spend them on other things. The prices might be anything from audiobooks and workout clothes to headphones and electronic gadgets. There are currently more than 300 brands affiliated to Sweatcoin, and more partners are constantly being added to the network. It's a fantastic opportunity to get in shape while also saving money. 11. Profit while doing your part to preserve the environment. CleanSpace is a wonderful app that rewards users for taking care of both themselves and the environment by providing them with freebies and discounts. The software works in conjunction with the CleanSpace tag, which is a device that monitors the levels of carbon monoxide in your immediate environment and connects to your phone through Bluetooth. The program rewards you with freebies and discounts proportional to the amount of pollution you prevent through running, cycling, walking, or any other means. Simply by taking a look at the local environment around you, the app is able to cleverly determine how you're going traveling from one place to another. These are the top 11 ways to earn money on your phone, but there are even better ways to make money online.